Hi Angel, I'm Win from Digital Energy and I'm sending the video that I promised you I would so you can get more business. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your website to discover more on Google, bring in more business, and create more revenue. So I explored a few different avenues with your business from the things that you told me. So a lot of times I don't really like to go with handyman niches because a lot of times there's a lot of competition for them and it's very hard to get on the first page of Google with it. So I was pleasantly surprised when I found out that your competition doesn't have very bad numbers, and I think we could rank you pretty quickly. I do want to talk to you really quickly about the different services, though. So this company does offer a lot of different services. And personally, I know that you really liked roofing and flooring the best. So I think the direction I would recommend is to have roofing and flooring be huge on your website. So that way you got a lot of searches for that. And especially flooring is going to be very easy to rank for. I think that flooring could probably be done within 3 or 4 months, and then roofing within about 6. You'd really be starting to show some business for that. So let's go ahead and look at some things. The first thing we're going to talk about is content. So to Google, content is king. We want to see at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and I'd also like to see the roofing and flooring be pretty big also, so you can rank for those. That's why you see like Wikipedia and different directories like Yelp, Super Yellow Pages, things like that being the first in the search on Google, because they do have so much content and they also have so many backlinks. And we're going to talk about backlinks here in just 1 second. So this is a program I use called Ahrefs. It is pretty pricey, but it does tell me a lot about websites. So this is the Handyman North Carolina Charlotte Man Handyman Services, and this is their trust with Google. So out of 100 on their homepage, which is what the UR represents, they have 24 out of 100. Their DR represents their entire website, and that's only a 1.3 out of 100. Now, as I promised you about backlinks, so backlinks is another important way that Google ranks different companies. So all a backlink is a link on someone else's website pointing to your website, which transfers power from their website to yours. In our industry, we have what we call do follow backlinks and no follow backlinks. And we want to have a lot of do follow backlinks because those are the ones that actually do transfer the power from the other person's website to yours. Now, we can see here they have 289 backlinks from 35 different websites. And I can go and tell you that if these backlinks were good backlinks, these numbers would be much higher and much closer together, because that's what we call the golden ratio. So I can tell just from looking at this that their backlinks they have aren't great backlinks. So let's go ahead and look at something else that we want to talk about, and that's keywords. Now, the content that we were just talking about, we really want to have location-specific keywords that people actually search for. So with the handyman services, the reason I really kind of want you to stick with this is because there's a lot of searches for handyman services in your area. We have Handyman Services Charlotte, North Carolina, that has a search volume of 200. Handyman Charlotte, North Carolina, that's a search volume of 400 per month. What would that do if you could just get 5 to 10% of this search volume for your business? Now, the keyword difficulty is a little bit higher than I like to see. I generally like to see keywords that are going to be a 3 or below because those take a little bit less time to get found for, but 6 really isn't still bad. So let's go ahead and look at flooring, because flooring is what I was telling you I think that you'd rank for the most and the quickest. So again, they have super low numbers. They don't have a lot of websites for their backlinks. It's going to be very easy to take the best keywords and the best locations for your website. And I just think that we'd be able to really rank quite quickly, Angel. So the last thing we're going to talk about are citations. And all of a citation is your name, address, and phone number across different directories across the web. The name, like Super Yellow Pages, Yelp, the general contracting websites, and that's what's really going to help you rank for the Google My Business and local map listings, which is one of the easiest ways to get found on the first page of Google. So, Angel, I really hope that you've enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and informational. As always, I always look forward to some feedback about the video and what you think. And I'd love to have a conversation with you. So I hope you're having a fantastic day, and thank you so very much.